Hi everybody, my name is Caitlin and today I'm going to teach you how to use cozy curlers. Now each set of cozy curlers comes in a nice stylish white bag like this, and you will receive 8 curlers in each of these bags. Now these curlers have this net at the bottom that allow you to go and put as much or as little hair into each curler as you want, which is a little bit different than all the other curlers you're used to. You know, where you have to put in, if you have long hair, you can only put in about that much of your hair, because they have those plastic coverings and they only allow so much. So this is where this product really is different. So I can fit all of my hair. I'll back up so you can see all my hair. But I have a lot of hair. And I used to not have this much hair, but I got this hair and the length it's at now by stop using heat. I haven't used hardly any heat in probably a year and a half, and my hair has grown. And I keep having to cut it off quite often because I've stopped using heat, because I always use my curlers. So I can fit all of this hair into just 2 curlers if I want. I usually do about 4 or 5, but today I'm going to show you how to use 7 curlers. So as you can see, my hair parts a little bit more off to this side than it does to this side. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 3 curlers on this side and 4 on this side today. So I'm just going to go and take my hair. I always like to start in the back and make sure your hair is brushed out before you start, but keep a brush handy because you're probably going to need it. I've already washed my hair tonight, so it's still a little bit damp, but it's not quite damp enough. So I'm just going to take some water. I'm just going to spray it. And I spray more towards the ends than I do at the actual roots, because I want my ends to be a lot curlier than the top of my hair. Plus, if your hair is prone to getting little bands in it from marks and stuff, this is going to help you not get quite so many marks, if any at all. My hair usually doesn't get a mark in it, so I don't have to worry about that. But it still helps my hair look a little bit more how I like it too. So I'm going to take this. I've rolled it around the curler. I'm going to take the net. This part's really important. So see this little elastic? You're going to go and put your fingers in, open it up, go all the way to the top, grab hold of the hair. Then you're just going to take this, go over it once, and then, oh, this is a tricky part, ready? And twice. So I did a double wrap on that. And now what you're going to do is you're just going to head into the next part. So I'm going to take another section of my hair. I like a little bit less curl in the back than the front. That way it's a little bit longer back there. I have layers too, so that also really helps to make it look like I curled each piece individually. And you'll see that tomorrow morning when I take these out. So you just spray, brush, and then get your curler. You start wrapping it around, just like you would a wand curler. And you're just going to roll it up to the top so it's nice and sturdy. Grab hold of that net. See this net? You're just going to go up. This one got a little bit twisted. Alright, you're just going to go up, grab, take that band over once, take the other side, and twice. Good. Kind of stretch it out. That way it's all even. Good. Now we're going to go to the last piece of hair. So I usually actually leave a little piece of my hair out so it's not quite so curly, because that's how I like my bangs to be. I don't like them to be as curly as the rest of my hair. So, and this part got really dry, and you can probably see I got a little tint of purple in there. And this part kind of gets dry on me, so I'm just going to use a little bit extra leave-in conditioner. So this is just some leave-in that I have. It has some extra keratin in it. And the keratin really helps my hair to keep frizz down and to help with any sort of damage issues. And I have quite a bit because I bleached my hair, I permed my hair, I've colored my hair. Just about anything you can do with your hair, I have done it. So that's what happens when you grow up with a mom as a hairstylist. You wrap. There you go. Next one. They're gonna open. I'll do this from the side. Grab up once and up twice. Good. Okay. We're gonna take same thing. We're gonna start in the back. Start at the top on the back. Take a big chunk of hair. Brush. Spray. Brush again. Grab your curler. Wrap it around. Keep going until you get all the way to the ends and kind of roll that top. And grab hold of this. Up. Oh, don't let it fall. And take that once. And twice. That's the hardest part, I know. It's really tricky, but it will make it so your hair will stay in all the way overnight. So you're going to go and split your hair into two halves right here. Take this, brush it, spray, brush, and take your curler, go in. Oops. See, it did that because it's not quite wet enough at the end. So what I'm going to do now, since I already got a hold of it, is I'm just going to take this water bottle, make sure my ends are a little bit wetter, smooth it out, grab hold of that net. It's a lot harder to do without being up right next to a mirror. One, I'm going to do it here in the back. Two. Okay, give it a good stretch. Take it. Get this. Open it up. Once. And again. Grab hold. Boom. Give it a good little tug. Just got kind of like, there we go. All right. Now you're ready to go to sleep. Make sure, do the shake test. If none of them fall out, you should be good to go. Okay, so I just woke up a little while ago and I'm going to show you how to take them out first. You just go and take this net and you just pull it down and bring the curl out. See that? Look how bouncy. Now, real quick, I should have done this before I started, but I'm going to show you. My hair, after sleeping, it stays in, but it's a little bit messy. Don't worry. It'll look great once you get all of these out and you flip it and you just keep going. Just continue. You're going to have lots of curl. And don't worry if they're all in a clump. That's good at first. Because in a minute when you just kind of run through it with your fingers, it's going to look so good. All right, on to the other side. There. You guys can't probably see my hair here. I'm going to angle this down. There we go. That's better. Okay. Go to the next one. See, it's that easy. Oh, that one's a little bit tricky. See how it kind of got caught? I have to move up my hand. And then last one. Alright. Now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my fingers, run through it. It looks a little bit messy right now, but that's okay. It's just to get the curls apart. It'll form back into some nice loose curls in a second. Alright, just gonna do a little flip. And back up. Okay. Now, this is what it looks like in the back. And my hair is a little dry, so what I usually do is I take a little bit of that leave-in conditioner I told you about last night. And It's a very light leave-in conditioner. If you have a heavy one, it won't do the best things. And I just kind of start running my fingers through with that. And then I just let it go. That went really, really curly today. So I'm not going to hairspray it yet. I'm just going to wait. And then this is something really cool. See these little pieces right here that kind of went in the opposite direction? They still have a lot of curl in them, so just pull them out and just kind of wrap it around your finger. And then voila. You got yourself a brand new curly piece of hair. Same with the top pieces. You can kind of wrap that piece that you didn't put in last night. Just go around it, hold it there for a second, and it's just kind of going to pull those in together. And then any other pieces that you want to do that with, you can. Only thing is, it's not going to probably work all day. It's just in the morning after you take them out, it still has that little curl left in it. You can just kind of, there you go. Just edit those pieces after you go and run your fingers through it. There. And if you want to, you can even take a brush to it, but that could go a little frizzy. So you want to have some product on it afterwards. So there we go. All right, so this was with my hair because it's so long. Use a little bit of curl cream, otherwise it kind of weighs it down and then I don't get the curl that lasts, you know, all day moving into the second day. So I always use just a little bit of curl cream in my hair. But most people, if you don't have as long or thick of hair as me, or your hair takes a curl easily, go and try it first with just the water. And if it doesn't work that good, then add in the curl cream and find what you like. But it's really specific to your hair type, so make sure that you keep that in mind as you use these. And we're done.